Good evening. Good evening. You're coming from the Florida Weather Guy's office, and this is your overnight forecast. And we're going to bring this in full. And this is our current conditions. And currently at the Florida Weather Guy's office, we have 49 degrees. Our dew point is 38. Our humidity is at 83%. The winds are from the northeast. This is the key right here. The winds are coming from the north and northeast at 12 miles an hour. When we start seeing that north and northeast, and then eventually to the east, it means our temperatures are going to warm up. Our wind chill is at 44 degrees. And the temperature cannot fall any lower than the dew point. Right now it's sitting at 38 degrees. As long as it stays at 38, our temperature cannot go any lower than 38 degrees. The visibility is 10 miles. Our barometer is at 30.27. Our sunrise is at 7:20 and our sunset is at 6:05. This is for Friday, the sunrise time and the sunset time for Friday, 7:20 in the morning and 6:05 in the evening. And right now we have cloudy skies. This is our cold weather advisory from 10 p.m. It's already in effect now till 10 a.m. tomorrow. And also for Pasco County, we have a freeze warning for the same time frame. So the weather alert is tonight, 10 p.m. into tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. A cold weather advisory for Tampa Bay regional weather area. Also, like I said, a freeze warning for Pasco County. So their temperature is going to drop a little bit lower than the Tampa Bay regional weather area. And speaking of that, for Pinellas County, here's my official forecast from the Florida Weather Guy's office and your forecaster, Jeff. Tonight, we're going to have a low of 38 degrees. Our winds are going to be from the north at 6 miles an hour with partly clouded skies. Our wind chill is going to feel like 33 degrees early in the morning up until 10 a.m. So make sure you're still bundled up. We're going to have a few more days. Saturday morning is probably going to be a little bit chillier. I'm looking about 35, 36 degrees for the Pinellas County area. But I'll keep you updated and I'll give you the numbers tonight of what our overnight low is going to be tonight going into Saturday morning. And then speaking of Friday's forecast from the Florida Weather Guy's office, we're going to have mostly sunny skies tomorrow, which we have not seen for quite a while. It's going to be nice to see that sun there tomorrow with mostly sunny skies. Our temperatures will probably be upper 40s, some mid 50s, and I'm calling for about 50 to 54, maybe even 55 tomorrow, depending on how much this wind veers back to the north and east. If it goes more toward the north and east tomorrow, we will have a little bit warmer temperatures. If it's strictly from the north, we'll be on that lower side. So I'm calling for a high of 54, but we may be in the upper 50s to lower 50s tomorrow. That's what I'm calling for. Also, we may have some gusts up to 18 miles an hour. That is Friday's forecast. This is your overnight lows tonight. Look at Chiefland, 26 degrees. Crystal River at 29. Brooksville at 32. That's for the north region part of the West Coast. For the central part of the West Coast, Tampa, you're coming at 37. Like I said, in Pinellas County, you're at 38. Lakeland, 37. So parts of, like I said, parts of Pasco and all the northwest coast of Florida and parts of central Florida has a freeze warning for tomorrow. Sarasota, Arcadia, Sebring, and Fort Myers, upper 30s to lower 40s to mid 40s. There is still a chance of rain, mostly from Tampa eastward to Sebrings at 20%, down to Arcadia and Fort Myers and Sarasota at 10%. Now, this I'm talking about the highs tomorrow, all the way down to all the way up to 60. Even in Chiefland at 52, down to Brooksville at 55, over Tampa at 55, Sarasota you're coming at 57, Arcadia 58 and 55. So it looks like overall low to mid 50s. The farther north you go, it will be in the lower 50s. But it just depends on how warm that sunshine brings it up. But even with the sunshine, it's still going to struggle to get a pass in the mid 50s, central and north. Maybe might touch that 60-degree mark around Fort Myers. And across the board, no rain tomorrow. So this is my weather summary for the west coast of Florida and the Tampa Bay regional weather area. Tomorrow we'll have sunny skies, but still cold for this time of year. Highs will rebound to the low to mid 50s across most of the Tampa Bay regional weather area. We're going to generally have winds from the northeast at 7 to 11 miles an hour with some gusts of 18. Forecaster Jeffrey Gentry, I want to thank you for tuning in to our YouTube channel, and have a great evening and a great Friday, and enjoy that sunshine, although it's still going to be cold. And I will be back tomorrow night for Friday night's forecast and Saturday's forecast. Have a great one. Bye for now.